Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Evite for a virtual event. So the first thing you have to do is to go or log into your Evite page. So on the Evite page, okay, it's still loading, but you can go ahead to create an event here. So you can make an invitation, you can upload your own designs or photos, you can send a greeting card, and you can also personalize a grad invitation. I would just go to the area where okay, from this place we can just click on here and click on my invitations. Now if you want to host an event, you can also just click on any of these templates, but since I've created some, I'll just go on with my invitations. So from this section, my invitations, you'd see all the invitations you have participated in, whether you have been the host or you were the guest. So they would all appear here, and this is where we would add or create a virtual event. So all you have to do is click on this manage events. So once we click on it, we would good so from this area we can click on edit invitation here, and here we can go to any of the stages and add our events. So this is how it looks like. So let's assume we have a Zoom event. From here you can just scroll down and choose from this title, it's maybe Zoom event, Zoom, and then click on the dates and then location, Zoom, or whatever the address will be, and then you can put your name and optional notes here and more information about the event here. And once you're done, you can click on done, and the invite will be sent to your guests. Okay, this is it. So once you are done, it will automatically ask you for this, and then you can send the updates to them. So this is how to actually use Evite for virtual events in Evite. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.